A winter storm warning above 6,000 feet for heavy snow and blowing snow remains in effect. Locations include Sun Valley, Galena Summit, Smiley Creek Lodge. Storm total snow accumulations of 10 to 20 inches are anticipated above 6,000 feet.
Sun Valley Heli is a very family-friendly operation. We have all sorts of terrain out there for beginners to advanced to expert skiers and snowboarders.
Do I dare cross that line? Will she be there when I get back? Will I be left all alone?
Generally speaking, we start off on our warmer, sunnier aspects, 15-20 miles to the west of Sun Valley here. And as the day goes on, we move our way around to the colder northerly aspects of the compass, where we always find cold, dry snow weeks after our last storm cycle.
That big bass keeps thumping with the old high lonesome sound.
So grab the family and come fly with us.